chapter number 3. So in this chapter we have studied regarding RBI, Reserve Bank of India. In this second lecture we are going to study regarding Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, that is IRDA. So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDA, is a national agency of the Government of India and is based in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. IRDA is the apex body that governs and supervises the insurance industry in India. IRDA has played a very important role in the growth and development of the sector by protecting policyholders' interests, registering and regulating insurance companies, licensing and establishing norms for insurance companies, regulating and overseeing premium rates and terms of non-life insurance covers, then specifying financial norms, then regulating investment of policyholders' funds and ensuring the maintenance of solvency margin by insurance companies, then ensuring insurance coverage in rural areas and of risky sections of society, then promoting professional organizations connecting with insurance and all other allied and development functions. Let's see power and functions of IRDA. First is the issue of certificate. Issue to the applicant a certificate of registration and renew, modify, withdraw, suspend or cancel such registration. Next is the protection of the interest of the policyholders. Protection of interest of the policyholder in matters concerning assigning of policy, nomination by policyholders, insurable interest, settlement of insurance claim, surrender value of policy and other terms and conditions of contract of insurance. Next is the qualification criteria, code of conduct and training. Specifying requisite qualifications, code of conduct and practical training for intermediaries or insurance intermediaries and agents, specifying the code of conduct for surveyors and loss of assessors. Next is the promoting the efficiency in the conduct of insurance business, promoting and regulating professional organizations connected with insurance and reinsurance business. Then supervisory role, calling for information from, undertaking inspection of, conducting inquiries and investigations, including audit of the insurers, intermediaries, then insurance intermediaries and other organizations connected with the insurance business. Next is the regulatory functions. Regulating investment of funds by insurance companies and regulating and maintenance of margin of solvency. IRDA also controls and regulates the rates, advantages, terms and conditions that may be offered by the insurers in respect of general insurance business not so controlled and regulated by the Tariff Advisory Committee under